Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Its name is Profit and Loss. Before going deeply about the profit and loss, what is profit and what is loss? In this profit and loss chapter, SP means what? Selling price. CP means cost price. Gain and loss. These all will come in this chapter. Before going deeply in the profit and loss, before what you have to know, what is cost price, what is selling price, what is gain and what is loss. Okay, let's see what is selling price and what is cost price. For an example, you think so that Ram is there. He is one person and he is a seller man. Ram bought one pen from a seller man at the cost of 2 rupees or something else, at the cost of rupees 2. Ram bought one pen at rupees 2 means he bought a pen from a seller man at the cost of rupees 2. This is the cost price. And when he brought a pen from a seller man at the same rate, he sold to the another person. He sold to the second person at some rate. It is called selling price. When Ram bought a pen from a seller man at the cost of rupees 2, this is called cost price. He bought from him. When he sold to the another person at some rate, then it is called as selling price. At which rate? It may be at rupees 2 he bought and he added some amount, means plus 3 means how much? 6 rupees means it is gain. Or he bought the pen at rupees 2 and he sold to the another person at rupees 1, then it is called loss. Based upon this, there are very different formulas used in this chapter. Let's see what are the formulas used in this chapter. First formula. Gain percent. Gain percent is equals to what? Gain into 100 by CP. Okay, this is the first formula. And loss percent, second formula what? Loss percent is equals to loss into 100 by CP. CP means what? Cost price. Then SP, third formula what? SP, selling price. Selling price, what is the formula? 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP, cost price. And in the same way, this one we wrote gain percent. Now we'll write loss percent. How much? 100. Gain means what? We gain some money, means plus will be happened. In loss, we lost some money, means minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Same, another formula is there. It is quite opposite to the, here we wrote selling price, now we will write cost price. Quite opposite to this. What is that? Fifth one. CP. CP means what? Cost price. Means how much? 100 by 100 plus gain percent. Here cost price we asked, then here into SP. When selling price will be asked into CP, when cost price it will be asked, then it is into SP, selling price. Sixth formula, it is also same. Here we wrote gain, now you have to write loss, means 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. These are the formulas which will be further used in while solving the problems in the profit and loss. What is the first? If in the question it is given, we have to find gain percent, means gain, how much gain is given in the question, into 100 by cost price. If it will be given to find out loss percent, means what we will do, loss into 100 by cost price. If you have to find selling price, means what you will do, in selling price there will be given gain or loss percent. If gain is given in the question and to find out selling price, means 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP, means what, cost price. If in the question it is given selling price and loss percent is given, we have to find selling price and the loss percent is given in the question, means what you will do, 100 minus loss percent by 100 into selling price, cost price. Okay, in the same way, when in the question it is given to find out cost price and gain percent is given, then what the formula will be used, 100 by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. And in the once again in the question it will be given cost price and loss percent is given in the question and told to find out the cost price, means 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. These are the formulas you must keep in your mind while solving the profit and loss problems. Okay, but based upon this, next we will try some problems. Okay, let's see based upon that formulas. Now in this question we take some questions and solve it. In the question what it is given, find SP. SP means what, selling price. To find selling price, what you have to do, cost price must be given and gain percent must be given. See, in the first question cost price is given and gain is also given. Then we can directly put the formula and solve it. SP is equals to what's the formula, 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP into cost price. See, 100 to 100 we will write here. Next, gain percent, how much it is given, 8% by 100 into cost price, what is given in the question, rupees 450. Now add this 100 plus 8, how much, 108 by 100 into 450. By calculating these all, how much answer we will get, how much answer will they get after cancellation, rupees 486 rupees 486. This is the actual answer. We got the SP or not? SP is equals to rupees 486 rupees. This is the final answer. We got it. Same as this. Here it is given in the question gain. Now we have to solve the problem as similar to this loss percent. We have to find loss percent, means how much, SP is equals to 100 minus loss percent. Why can put here minus in loss, means we lose some money. Here gain means we gain some money. Here we kept here plus. When we lose some money, then we will keep here minus by 100 into cost price is equals to how much. Now substitute all this given question, 100 minus loss percent, how much it is given, 3 by 100 into cost price, how much it is given, rupees 1700. Now solve 100 minus 3, how much, 97 by 100. into 1700. Now solving this by doing the cancellation. After doing the cancellation, then multiply 97 into 17. 97 into 17, how much will get? Rupees 1649 rupees. This is the SP. SP is equals to rupees 1649 rupees. This is the final answer we got. Okay. Note this problem. Next, go to the next problem. Okay, in the same way, in the previous sum, what we discussed, in the previous sum, what it is given to find out, we founded SP. Now, in the second question, what is given to find out, we have to find CP. CP means was cost price. Cost price, what are the formula of gain percent and loss percent? Just I gave you the formulas. Now, by applying that formulas, let's solve the problem. Here CP, SP is given, gain is given. We can directly put the formula of cost price and solve the problem easily. What is the cost price formula for gain? 100 by, quite opposite to the SP. What is the formula? 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Then already SP is given here and gain percent is also given. Now we can substitute it directly. What we will do? 100 by 100 plus gain percent, how much it is given? 8 into selling price, how much it is given? 777.60. Okay. By adding, what we will do? 100 by, add this 100 plus 8, how much? 108. 108 into 777.60. After doing all the cancellation, what the final answer will get? Rupees 720 rupees. Selling price, cost price rupees how much? Here we told to find cost price. Now cost price how much we got finally? Rupees 720. Okay, we founded the gain. Now we will find the loss. What is the formula for loss? CP is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. Okay, then substitute the question. 100 by 100 minus loss percent, what is given in the question? 10 into SP, how much it is given? 261 rupees. Then do subtraction. 100 by 100 minus 10, how much? 90 into 261. After doing the cancellation of all these, what the final answer we will get? Rupees 290. This is the cost price of loss. Cost price is equals to rupees 290. This is the final answer. Now here we solved how to you know just how to find SP and how to find CP. Okay. Next, go to the next problem. Okay, what the next question is given? Jogender gained 5% by selling his old scooter for rupees 7,620. Jogender sold his scooter for rupees 7,620 at the gain of 5%. If he sells it for rupees 6,500, find his loss or gain percent. What is given in the question? Jogender sold the scooter at this much rupees, at 7,620 rupees at the gain of 5%. If he sells the scooter at 6,500 rupees, then it will be gain percent or loss percent. We have to find out. Then what we will do? Let's solve the problem. SP, how much it is given? SP is equals to rupees. Rupees how much? Sorry, just a small mistake. 6,720 rupees. Okay. SP, how much is given in the question? 6,720 rupees. And gain percent, how much it is given? 5%. We have to get the idea that whenever you will whenever selling price and gain percent is given in the question, then we have to find CP, cost price. Cost price, what is the formula of the cost price? Cost price is equals to, what's the formula? 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Now substitute this one in this formula. 100 by 100 plus gain percent, how much it is given? 5 into SP, how much? 6,720 rupees. But now what we will do? Solve this. 100 by 100 plus 5, how much? 105 into 6,720 rupees. By doing all this cancellation, what the answer will get? What the answer will get after doing the cancellation? Rupees 6,400. This is the actual answer. This is the actual CP. CP is equals to rupees 6,400. Oh, now do second case. Here what he told? He also told to find the loss or gain percent. Then what we will do? We have to find it now. Then what we will do? Case 2. Case 2, what it is given? Rupees 6,500 is given to find out. SP is equals to, if the selling price will be rupees 6,500, then it will be gain or loss. What we will do? Then we have to find out it is gain or not. Then gain is equals to, what's the formula? Gain is equals to, what's the formula? Gain is equals to SP minus CP. SP, how much it is given? 6,500. 6,500 minus cost price, how much you got? 6,400. By doing the subtraction, what the answer we will get? Rupees 100. Rupees 100 gain. Okay. We found out. Now what we will do? What we have to find out? Gain. We have to find out gain percent. Gain percent formula what? Gain percent is equals to and gain into 100 by CP. Gain into 100, how much? What is the formula? Gain, how much he gained here? What you find out? Rupees 100. 100 into 100 by CP, how much? 6,400. By doing all this cancellation, what the answer you will get? Gain percent, how much you will get? 25 by 16. 25 by 16%. By this is the final answer. By solving this one also, what you will get? By dividing this 1 whole 9 by 16%. This much gain he got. When he will sell his scooter at rupees 6,500, then he will get 1 whole 9 by 16% gain. Next, solve the another problem. Okay, see the next problem. What it is given in the question? Raju bought a buffalo for rupees 10,000 and a cow for rupees 7,500, and he sold the buffalo at a loss of 12%. Raju bought the buffalo at rupees 10,000 and sold the buffalo at loss of 12%. And at the same way, Raju bought the cow at rupees 7,500 and he sold the cow at the gain of 20%. Now, what is given in the question to find out? Find his total gain or loss percent. We have to find, is it gain percent or loss percent? First, we have to find the case of buffalo. In case of buffalo, what is given in the question? Cost price, how much it is given? Cost price is equals to 10,000 rupees, 10,000, and how much? Loss is equals to, how much you will get? Loss is equals to, what is given in the question? Loss is equals to 12%. Then cost price is given, loss is given, then you can easily find the SP. SP is equals to how much? SP is equals to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP, cost price. Now substitute this 100 minus loss percent, how much it is given? 12 by 100 into cost price, how much it is given? 10,000. Okay. Now subtracting this, what the answer we will get? Rupees 88 by 100 into 10,000. Okay. By doing all the cancellation, what the final answer we will get? How much? Rupees 8,800. This is the final answer. SP we got. In case of buffalo, just we find out. Now we have to find out what? In case of cow. In case of cow, what it is given? In case of cow, what it is given? Here what it is given in the question? In case of cow, CP is given, gain percent is also given. Then SP we have to find out. CP, cost price, how much it is given? Rupees 7,500. And gain percent, how much it is given? 20%. Now we can put the formula directly. SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. Now substitute this in their formula. 100 plus gain percent, how much? 20 by 100 into cost price, how much it is given in the question? 7,500. Now solve it by adding 100 plus 20. How much the answer you will get? How much the answer will get? 120 by 100 into 7,500. By cancelling all this and multiply 120 into 75, what the answer will get? Rupees, how much? Rupees 9,000. We found all the selling price. Here in buffalo, what is the selling price we got? 8,800. In case of cow, what the answer we got? Rupees 9,000. Now what we have to find out? Total CP and total SP. Keep in your mind of SP, both of the SP of cow and buffalo. Now we have to find out total CP and total SP. How much you will get? Total CP. Total CP, how much? Total CP, cost price, how much? 10,000 plus 7,500. Total SP, now we solve what the answer we got. SP, total SP is equals to how much answer we got? 8,800 plus 9,000. 8,800 plus 9,000. By doing the addition, what the answer we will get? Rupees 10,000 plus 7,500, what we will get? 17,500. By doing addition of 8,800 plus 900, how much answer we will get? Rupees 17,800. Total CP and total SP we found out. What we have to do? Now we have to find gain. See how we got gain. He bought the cow and buffalo at total at rupees 17,500, and after he bought, he sold to the another person of cow and buffalo. He sold cow and buffalo to the another person at the rupees of 17,800. Is it gain or not? Gain or not? He sold it at this much rupees and he bought it from 17,500 rupees. It is gain. Then gain is equals to SP minus CP is equals to how much? 17,800 minus CP how much? 17,500 is equals to rupees 300 rupees gain he got. Now we found the gain also. Now we will put the formula of gain percent. What is the formula we will get? Gain percent is equals to gain percent into 100 by CP. Gain percent is equals to gain into 100 by CP. Gain how much we got? 300 into 100 by cost price. How much? Cost price how much we got? How much cost price we got? Given in the question, by doing addition, how much we got? 17,500 is the cost price. By solving all this, how much answer we will get? 12 by 7%. 12 by 7%. By solving this also, 1 whole 5 by 7%. This is the actual gain percent. Gain percent is equals to 1 whole 5 by 7%. Finally, he got gain by selling the buffalo and cow. Okay, next we will solve the next problem. Okay, what is the next question is given? Selling price of 2 oranges is the same as the cost price of 3 oranges. Here it is given in the question to find gain percent. Whenever you will solve any question also, keep in your mind that first you have to observe what is given to find out, and the what is given, if it is given selling price or cost price, and based upon that question what are the formulas are to be used to solve the question, you must get an idea in your mind. Okay, what it is given? Selling price of oranges is equal to the selling price of 2 oranges is equal to the cost price of 3 oranges. It is given in the question. Selling price of 2 oranges is same equal to the cost price of 3 oranges. Cost price is given, not given in the question. Then let the CP cost price, let the cost price of oranges, let me take as rupees 1. Then something we took it. Why? Because cost price is not given in the question. Then we will think and take something. Cost price now what will do? Cost price of 3 oranges means what will be happen? 3 oranges means rupees 3. Then selling price of 2 oranges equals to cost price of 3 oranges. How much? Rupees 3. Rupees 3 or not? Then gain how much? Gain is equals to, what is the formula? SP minus CP means 3 minus 2 means how much? Rupees 1. Okay, now we have to find, what we have to find out? Now we have to find out gain percent or not. What is the gain percent formula? Just I have told you before going deeply to the problems, what is the gain formula? Gain percent is equals to gain into 100 by CP. Gain into 100 by CP. How much? Gain percent is equals to gain into 100 by CP means 1 by 2. CP how much? 2 is given or not? 1 by 2 into 100. By doing the cancellation, how much you will get? 50%. Gain percent is equals to 50%. Finally got the answer. Next we solve the next problem. Okay, finally we'll solve this question. What is the question? Is given by selling sofa set for rupees 4,500, a shopkeeper loses 10%. When a shopkeeper sold a sofa at rupees 4,500 rupees, then he got loss for 10%. Now, how much should we sell the sofa set so as to gain 10%? Then what we have to find out? We have to find the selling price and also we have to find the gain of 10%. Okay, what we will do? Now let's see what is given in the question. Selling price of a sofa set is how much it is given in the question? Rupees 4,500. At how much loss? Loss of 10%. Sofa set SP is given, loss is given. Now what is the formula we have to do? What is the formula you have to do? Cost price is equals to, what is the formula now? Cost price is equals to, what is the formula? 100 plus gain percent, 100 into 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. SP means what? Selling price means, now what you will do? 100. Now substitute what is given in the question. 100 by 100 minus loss percent, how much it is given? Minus 10 into SP, selling price, how much it is given? 4,500. Okay, 100 by 100 minus 10, how much you will get? 90 into 4,500. By doing the cancellation, how much the final answer will get? Rupees 5,000. This is the final answer. CP is equals to rupees 5,000. We find out CP. Now we have to, what we have to find out? We have to find out the selling price also. What we will do? Selling price we have to find out means, what we will do? Selling cost price of a sofa. How much? How much you got the answer here? But how much you got the answer? Rupees 5,000. And the gain of how much? Gain is equals to 10%. Now directly put the formula. Selling SP formula what? SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. Now substitute the question in the formula. How much you will get? 100 plus gain percent how much? 10 by 100 into cost price, how much it is given? 5,000. Now solve the solution. 110 by 100 into 5,000. By doing the cancellation, what the final answer we will get? Rupees 55,000. This is rupees 55,000. This is the final answer we got out. Okay, let's see in the next class.